Hello, here we are with an unboxing and hands-on with the WorldPay Zinc. This is a mobile payment terminal for chip and pin cards, and this is designed for sole traders or small businesses or even large businesses that need to take payments on the go. So it's completely secure, and I'm sure you've been in the situation where you've needed to take money off of a customer and they haven't had the right money, or they haven't had the cash, or you prefer to take card payments rather than cash or check. So this gives you the option to do that and is more sort of versatile for those times where the customer doesn't necessarily have the right money. So you have the terminal itself, and it connects via an app and Bluetooth to your smartphone, be it Android or iOS, and you can take the payment. So there is a charge for this. It's $79.99 for the card reader itself as a one-off payment, and then there's an ongoing fee based on the amount of money you put through the WorldPay machine itself. So at the maximum it's 2.75%, and at the lowest it's 1.95%. So of £100, £2.75 would go in fees, which is fair when you consider the benefits that come through this card reader. So this is the official packaging. It accepts the major cards such as Visa, MasterCard and Maestro. As I say, it works with Android and iOS, and in the box you get the chip and pin keypad and the USB cable. Now we have already set this up, so as we unbox this you would normally get a bit more packaging here, but we've got the card reader itself, which we'll come back to in a moment. Here is the packaging, and then you get the a little sticker to say what payments you accept, and a quick start guide, and a USB cable, micro USB cable, for actually charging the card reader itself. Taking a look around the card reader, it's about the size of a calculator. We've got a nice keypad on here, very tactile feel. We've got little logos on here of the cards it can accept. On the bottom we've got the card slot itself. On the left side we've got the power button. On the top we've got the slot here for actually using the magnetic strip of the card, and on the other side we've got the micro USB connector there. So same sort of thing that charges most phones. You can connect this into a computer or into normal mains power. Just going to power this on, so it connects via Bluetooth to your smartphone. I've downloaded the app here onto my Sony Xperia device. Now on first power up it does take a little bit longer. Now you do have to go through a setup procedure with WorldPay Zinc online. It takes about 24 hours to complete that procedure. It's all to do with security, but it's fairly straightforward, well explained, and within that 24 hours you can be set up and you log into your account through the application, and it's all then tracked online, and you can use it as a payment portal for both card and cash payments. So here the terminal is switched on. I'm in the WorldPay app, and what I can do is click in here and set the amount I want to charge. So let's say I need to charge my customer 50p for some services. So I click done there. I can enter a reference if I want, so let's just put test in there. And I can select whether it's cash or card. Now naturally we're going to be using card here, so I click on this, and then what it does is it communicates with the card terminal and to the WorldPay servers, and you can see that it's come up on the screen here saying to insert the card, and it also says that on my screen. So at this point you'd hand it to the customer, and I'm just going to pop a card in to the bottom of the machine here like so, and then within a few seconds it'll tell you what to do. So it's asking me to confirm the amount, and it also brings this up on the phone. So I could click X if I was the customer, but in this case I'm going to click the tick icon, and then it says to enter the PIN, and then that is also reflected on the app. So I'm just going to do that out of shot. So once I've entered my PIN, you get the little stars on screen. You can't see this on the app itself, so it's completely secure. And then I click the tick icon, it says pin OK. That's then passed back to the phone, and it says it approved and please remove the card. So I'll remove the card from the machine, and that's the card reader kind of finished with, if you like. And then you've got transaction complete on the phone itself, so I click OK, and it's here that you can issue a receipt. You can do that via email, SMS, or print it if you like. You enter the customer's email address or their telephone number. You can say that you've issued a handwritten receipt, And what this does is that once you email it to the customer, it gives them the confirmation of the amount, the time, and it even gives them the GPS location on a map so they can be completely sure of what was charged. And all of this is then logged on your online account with WorldPay, and within 4 to 5 working days the money is transferred to the account that you entered when you set up the original login with WorldPay on your first time setup. So I'm a big fan of these mobile payment units. I think they can transform your business if you're a sole trader kind of on the move and on the go. Think of it as a window cleaner, maybe a mobile valet, a gardener, any sort of tradesman who needs payment for customers. This is a neat and secure way to actually take the payment. You do need a data connection through your smartphone, but most people actually have that. So the WorldPay Zinc is available from clove.co.uk. So if you want any more information, be sure to check it out. Until next time, thanks for watching.